Welcome to the video series about the integration of SINAMICS G220 converter into the SIMATIC Process Device Manager. My name is Simona, and in this part we are going to have a look at one of the interesting features of the SINAMICS G220 FDI device package basic, diagnostics functions. To establish the online connection to SINAMICS G220 device and to check the communication status between the device and PG-PC, select first the Update Diagnostics option from Diagnostics menu. Click on Start and wait until the indicator of connection changes to green. Under the submenu Device Diagnostics, there are three options providing extensive diagnostics functions. We start with faults and alarms. Here you have access to the information about up to 8 pending active faults, either general or safety-related only. The information about the fault code message and fault time received can be extended by the expand arrow. Details comprise of drive reaction, acknowledgement conditions, fault cause and remedy hints. The user has also the possibility to acknowledge the active faults. The other tab provides the fault history overview, again, separately for general faults and for safety-related faults. Up to 56 previously acknowledged faults are listed here, together with the information when the fault was acknowledged. The user has also the possibility to remove fault history. The last tab of Faults and Alarms combines the view of active alarms with alarm history. Up to 8 active alarms are displayed, together with up to 56 latest, already acknowledged alarms. Now, we will have a look at another option from Device Diagnostics, Communication. There are two tabs to show the communication setting and status in both receive and send direction. In each tab, in upper part, you have available the information about the PLC master and drive IP address, device name and configured profit drive telegram. In the lower part, the actual telegram data is shown. Data type can be modified according to requirements. There is also the option to see the bitwise view of control and status word, including the descriptions. The last option from the Device Diagnostics is Safety Diagnostics. Together with the information about the actual status of safety function, the checksum data are provided too. Well, thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye bye.